Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this episode, we're going to look at crazy water vehicles that will surprise you. Imagine a combination of a jet ski and a catamaran. Step onto the Kormaran K7, whose hydrofoils adjust to transform it into a speedy boat, blending the best of both worlds. Open the swimming platform and lift the butterfly wing doors, and it becomes your personal floating island. The creators believe this is a game changer in boat design, so they've used top-notch technology, building a carbon fiber monocoque similar to an F1 car. If desired, the engines can be boosted to 900 horsepower, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per h. They have even considered creating a racing version. Naturally, it comes with features like hi-fi audio, autopilot, leather upholstery, and other luxuries. As for the price, it's around $1.7 million. The team at Hanstaiger doesn't just build boats with unique designs. Their goal is to completely revolutionize boat design. But are buyers ready for such a change? Take the X1, for example. Even its creator doubted there would be demand for this trimaran. However, several dozen people immediately wanted to buy it. Surprisingly, Hanstaiger didn't plan to mass-produce the X1, intending to make only 3 or 4 units. So, what exactly is the X1? It's a single-masted cruising model with a carbon fiber hull, suitable for open sea voyages. The vessel has 3 cabins that can accommodate up to 6 overnight guests and requires a crew of 4 to operate. This luxurious ship comes at a price of around $5.3 million. In just 5 years, the worldwide market for drones is expected to surpass $67 billion. This makes you wonder what innovative products are on the horizon, especially since we already have impressive models that were once just dreams. Take the Takuma EO, for instance. This self-controlled electric towing watercraft is designed for surface use. It can run for up to 85 minutes on a single charge, reaching speeds of up to 45 kilometers per h. Additionally, it can be controlled remotely within a 600-meter radius. The drone maintains a safe distance from others and even flips itself back over if knocked over by a wave. You can order the Takuma EO today for around $9,000. Planning a trip to Turkey next year? Make sure to try out the AirFish 8. A local company has already ordered 10 of them and plans to use them for tourist excursions. However, there are only 10 seats on board. The speed of 167 kilometers per h more than makes up for it. Surprisingly, only one pilot is needed to control this fast vehicle. The AirFish 8 is powered by a car engine, giving it a good range of 555 kilometers in the standard version and up to 1,852 kilometers with larger fuel tanks. While the AirFish 8 is affected by weather conditions, it can handle waves of up to 3 points and winds up to 8 mph without any issues. Additionally, it can be easily modified for cargo, medical or military purposes. The DPC, or Diver Propulsion Craft, is a line of fast, compact and versatile diving equipment. The 4th generation has been improved with an impressive thrust of over 1,300 newtons, allowing the DPC4 to pull a team of 6 people or large cargo containers. Among its other impressive specs, it can accelerate up to 180 meters per minute and travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. It can dive to depths of up to 80 meters and is effective even when used on the surface. Looking after the environment is not only beneficial, but also profitable. For instance, NARKE has successfully sold out all of its electric jet skis. If you missed out, don't worry. The company is working on something new and exciting to make the weight more bearable. Let's take a closer look at the GT45 model. This jet ski can carry up to 225 kilograms, allowing you to ride with your friends. Although the GT45's engine isn't the most powerful at 60 horsepower, it can still reach speeds of up to 55 km/h. The battery lasts for an hour and a half and can be fully charged in 2 hours with a special charger, or in 6 hours with a regular household socket. Plus, its sleek design would look great on a trailer behind a Tesla Cybertruck. Bravada Yacht specializes in building houseboats, which are essentially homes on the water. A typical VS series model is 24 meters long and offers comfort and luxury. For example, let's take a look at the Invictus vessel. One might wonder if the owners are fans of the Paco Rabanne perfume of the same name. The engineers have divided the 297 square meters of living space into 5 suites, 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, and 2 cabins. In total, the vessel can accommodate up to 14 guests. The interior is so stylish that it would fit right in on an episode of MTV Cribs. The exterior of the houseboat is also unique. Most houseboats resemble bricks due to their simple and reliable design, but Bravada Yachts isn't afraid to take on challenges and opted for a design with seductive curves. As for the price, they didn't hold back either. It costs $2 million. The Adrenaline ZRX47 is like a supercar on water. So let's talk about its engines. It has 2 of them, and in the top configuration, they produce a combined 2,700 horsepower. This means the Adrenaline ZRX47 can reach speeds of up to 240 km/h. If that's not fast enough for you, the company is willing to create an even more powerful custom version. This boat is definitely meant to impress other boat owners. You can enjoy the speed with up to 10 passengers on board, and the built-in audio system with 8 speakers lets you race to your favorite music. The America's Cup sailing competition is the oldest international sports event in the world, predating the modern Olympic Games by over 40 years. It's noteworthy that this competition is often described not only as a sailing race, but also as a technological showcase. For example, the AC-75 yacht was specifically designed for the America's Cup and incorporates remarkable engineering solutions. It's the first sailing yacht capable of foiling over water, measuring 23 meters long and weighing only 6.5 tons. To provide context, the Black Magic from 1995 was nearly 3 times heavier. While teams can modify the AC-75, its speed remains impressive. For instance, the Iron EOS Team UK was able to reach speeds of 93 km/h. Some publications even liken the effort involved in designing and upgrading the AC-75 to the development of airplanes. Also noteworthy is the high-fly water sports team, which created FlyWay, the world's first hydrofoil e-jet ski. What makes FlyWay unique is its ability to fly over water, reducing energy consumption by 70%. This gives owners more time to practice stunts on a single charge. While there isn't extensive technical information available about the project yet, we do know that the creators opted for a propeller instead of a water jet, and maneuvers are controlled with a rudder instead of tilt. An unexpected feature is the built-in Bluetooth speaker. The price for this vehicle is approximately $15,500. SeaBubbles is a new vehicle designed to enhance people's quality of life while respecting the planet's water resources. It generates no waves, noise, or emissions thanks to its electric engines. The design is highly efficient, leading to savings of up to 90% on operating costs. The standard SeaBubbles model can accommodate a captain and 4 passengers, reaching speeds of up to 22 km/h. It only requires a speed of 11 km/h and 3 seconds to rise above the water on hydrofoils. The more advanced Smart Bubble model can seat up to 12 people, and accelerate up to 30 kilometers per h. AI algorithms assist in controlling the ship's systems and managing energy consumption. The Seacat Columbia is a specialized vessel designed for servicing offshore wind turbines. To tackle this challenging task required a unique hull and advanced stabilization systems, resulting in a 70% improvement in stability, even in waves up to 2.5 meters high, with minimal rocking on board. Additionally, the vessel's emissions have been reduced by 30%, equivalent to 1,000 tons less CO2 than other ships. The Seacat Columbia combines advanced technology with comfort, accommodating up to 24 people in its 30-meter length. Although the cabins are compact, they are cozy enough for watching a movie, provided you have the time, as the Seacat Columbia travels at a speed of 46 kilometers per h. Here's an interesting fact for trivia night. The world's largest cruise ship is the Icon of the Seas. She is so massive that she is about 95 meters longer than the famous Titanic. Launched in 2023, she has already begun carrying passengers this year. Can you believe that she can accommodate 7,600 passengers on board? Operating this giant requires a crew of 2,350 people. Thankfully, engineers designed 20 decks and equipped her with impressive engines that can run on both liquefied natural gas and distillate fuel. These engines are efficient enough to propel the ship up to 40 kilometers per h. Passengers may not have much time to enjoy the passing scenery, as they'll be busy exploring restaurants, sports fields, a water park, and a theater on board. The ship even features a 17-meter waterfall. With tickets priced at $1,850 per person, passengers will certainly get their money's worth in entertainment and memories. What do you think about these amazing inventions? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and